car makes a weird clicking sound when you turn, grab your tire iron and check those lug nuts. Loose lug nuts can make clicking noises when you turn the wheel. Make sure each lug nut is snug, but don't over tighten. Use a cross pattern when tightening for even pressure. If you have a torque wrench, check your owner's manual for the right setting. Tighten each lug nut to the recommended torque. This simple check can prevent wheel damage and keep you safe on the road. If the clicking continues, visit a mechanic to check for other issues. Stay safe and keep those wheels secure.